feel great to present this speech. Today we celebrate the 78th anniversary of India's independence. On this day we remember the long and arduous struggle against British rule, the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, and the dawn of a new era for our nation. However, as we unfurl our tricolor and sing a patriotic songs, it's crucial to engage in a critical reflection on what true freedom means for India today. While we celebrate the end of colonial rule, we must acknowledge that the fight for freedom is far from over. The freedom we gained was in many ways a political one. We achieved self-governance, but the social and economic inequalities that plagued our society for centuries persist. Millions still struggle with poverty, hunger, and lack of access to basic necessities. We must ask ourselves, is India truly free when a significant portion of its population is denied the basic necessities of life? The concept